Hi guys, let's make slime. So to make slime, I am using this baking powder. This is really baking powder, and this Fevicol and this Fevigum. These thingies. Okay, this is baking soda. Do not try to use me. 1 spoon baking soda, and there is nothing else, nothing activator, nothing. 2 spoons of baking soda, and this one. After that, some white glue, because I don't like clear slimes little bit, so that's why some white glue also. I thought we will add 1 more spoon of baking soda. Okay, let's just mix it. Wait. Okay. I thought I just overactivated it. Yeah, I just overactivated it because this is too much baking soda. So let's try to fix it down. Oh, you cannot fix it. I'm trying. Okay, so my next try is in my part 2. After this next video. Okay, do not try